Now let us understand cloud technology. Cloud is not the cloud in the sky. It is a technology that enables us to run device, application and software over the internet. You need to log in or access the cloud app using internet browser like Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Edge. Cloud is used for data storage, saving photos, running of various applications like game, software, virtual server. You would be familiar with Google Drive of Google, Amazon Cloud Services of Amazon, Microsoft Office suite like Office 365, Outlook, OneNote, OneDrive, Adobe Creative Cloud, Big Data, Netflix, Dropbox, Chromebox, Facebook, Evernote, LastPass, Instagram and many more are the live example of cloud technology. You can run your own software using software as a services. You can customize, create and develop your own application using platform as a services. You can rent storage space from cloud companies providing infrastructure as a services like Bullet Hosting, Google, Amazon Web Services and so on. Cloud is also referred to as cloud computing. What are the security risks that should be kept in mind? Sensitive data theft via mapping attacks and privacy issues, malware attack using cloud file sharing technology like the one we saw, the drive malware, weak cryptography, session hijacking, cross-site scripting, and man-in-the-middle attacks due to inherent name of its design. Brute force password attacks is also possible in the cloud technology. Now what are the protection tips or measures? Do have a backup copy of data on the hard drive. Keep your password safe. Encrypt your password file by using open source encryption tool like VeraCrypt, Xcrypt, BitLocker. Have multi-factor authentication for your cloud technology and your cloud account. Build a strong cryptography model which is in line with all modern web browser. Read user agreement, bit lengthy and boring at times, but it can safeguard you if there is a breach. Carefully draft service level agreements. Keep critical assets separate from other assets.